Hello everyone. In the previous video, I discussed the cone and the surface area of the cone and the questions from NCERT, that is exercise 13.3. So we are just continuing in this process. This exercise is 13.7. So the question is, find the volume of the right circular cone. The formula you know that in the previous video we have discussed, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Radius is given, height is given. Directly we can use the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square into h and cancel both the parts. Find the capacity. Capacity means volume in liters. Radius is given, slant height is given. We already discussed all these in the previous videos, how we can convert the centimeter cube into liters. And it is slant height is given. So first we have to find height with the relation of slant height, radius and height. In the previous video, we have discussed all these. Now see the third question. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is this 1570, find the radius of the base, and pi we have to use here 3.14. So it is given height of the cone 15 centimeter. Volume of cone is given 1570 centimeter cube. Let the radius of the base be r centimeter. Okay. So we know the formula of the volume. Volume is equals volume of cone is equals 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3, 3.14. R is we have to find, and the height is given 15 and the volume is given 1570. So we can transpose this, or we can remove the decimal also if you want it. So this we can remove. Suppose we are having here 100. So 1570 into 100. This can be cut and having 5 here, upon 314 into 5 is equals to r square. So this can be cut. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 4s are 20. So this can be cut. So we are having r square is equals to 100, or r is equals under root 100, that is equals to 10 centimeter. So required radius of the cone is equals 10 centimeter. This is the answer. Similarly, we can do the fourth question. Volume is given, that is 48 pi. Pi is given, so pi can be cut with the pi, that is in formula. Height is given, we have to find the first radius and diameter. A conical bit of top diameter is given. Depth is given, we have to find the capacity. Capacity means the volume. The volume of right circular cone is 9856. If the dia of the base is 28, find the height of the cone and slant height of the cone. So we are giving here volume of cone 9856. Diameter of the base is given 28 centimeter. Let the height of the cone is equals to h centimeter. Okay. So what can be used here? The formula, same formula that we have used in the above question. So volume of cone is equals 9856. We know the formula, 1 upon 3 pi r square. H we having here is equals 9856. So 1 upon 3 into pi, 22 upon 7. R we are giving here. Diameter is given, that is 28 centimeter. So radius is equals 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. So 14 into 14 into h. H we have to find 9856. This can be cut 7 2s. So h is equals 9856 into 3 upon, this is 22 into 2 into 14. So this 14 and 9856 can be cut. 14 7s are 98 and 14 4s are. Okay. Now we have cut this 704 by 2. So this 2 we are having 704 into 3 upon 22 into 2. This can be cut. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Now this 22 and this 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32 and 5. So 16 we are having. So H is equals to 16 3s are 48. So H is equals 48 centimeter. This is a required height. Now for the second part we have to find the slant height. Slant height we can find this because in second part we have to find CSA. If CSA we have to find, so let the slant height is equals H centimeter. So L is equals to under root H square plus R square, that is under root 48 square plus 14 square. 48 square is 2304 plus 196, that is equals to 2500. So L is equals 50 centimeter. Now we have to find CSA is equals to pi RL 22 upon 7, RV and 14, L is 50, 7 2s are, this is 100, 2200 centimeter square. So this is the second part. Now we are having important question. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 and 12 and 13 centimeter is revolved around the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid is so obtained. So here we are having this triangle. This triangle we are having that we have discussed in the previous video. The very first topic we have taken this only. If this 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter, this we are having. So here we have revolved around the 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter should be the axis. If we revolve it, so it will be a cone having radius 5 centimeter and height as 12 centimeter. Okay, so right angle triangle is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. So we have the radius of the base so formed is equals to of the cone so formed is 5 centimeter and height is equals to 12 centimeter. Now the question becomes very easy. Volume of the cone so formed. But we have to remember the side becomes height to which we are revolving the figure. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h. It will be equals to 1 upon 3 22 upon 7, or because here we are having 5 and 12, so instead of this 22 upon 7 we can use here 3.14. 1 upon 3 3.14 r square. R becomes 25 and this becomes 12. Okay, so 3 4s are and 25 4s are 100. So we are having here 314 centimeter cube, or we can keep this in pi also. Okay, or 1 upon 3 pi r square h. No need to put the value of pi. R we having 25, R we are having 12, 25 4s are. So we are having here 100 pi centimeter cube. Now the next question. If a triangle ABC in the question 7 revolved around the side 5 centimeter, so 5 becomes height and 12 centimeter becomes base radius, and the 13 centimeter will remain as the slant height. So the figure will be like this. But this side will be 12 and this is 5. This remain as it is 13. Suppose. So this time the right angle triangle is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. So radius of the base of the cone formed. The cone is formed. R is equals 12 centimeter. Height is equals 5 centimeter. So volume is equals 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi. Pi we can keep it here. Pi we can keep it here as it is if we want. R is given 12 into 12. Height is given 5. 3 4s are, and we are having here 20. It is 240 pi centimeter cube. If you want to find in decimal, you can put the value of 22 upon 7. Now it is given also here. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. So required ratio 100 pi upon 240 pi. Pi can be cancelled, 0 can be cancelled. 2 5s are and 2 12s are. So this is equals to 5 upon 12 or 5 ratio 12. Now this is last. A heap of wheat is in the form of cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter, height in 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. So in this question, first of all we will find the volume. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then by finding the length using the relation slant height and radius, we can find the slant height. Then find pi rl. So these questions and the previous questions you just do in your fair notebook with examples. Thank you so much.